Okay, dear students, next I am taking here question number 11. In the following figure is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2. Okay, we have to give here a reason. If vertex are common mean, that is the adjacent angle. This figure, angle 1 and angle 2. There is no common vertex. Now we can see angle 1 and angle 2 are not adjacent angle. Well, because their vertex is not common. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, just for next I am taking here 12th one problem here. The S, Y, comma and Z each the following. Each of the following. See, find the values of triangles x, y and z in each of the following. Yes, right? In this question we have two figures here. We have to find out here values of the angles x, y and z in each of the following. Here in this figure we have one angle is 55 degree. We have to find out here x, y, z. Now let us see solution here. Given here x is 55 degree. Okay, x is 55 degree. In this figure you observe here x is 55 degree because here vertically opposite angles always, we know vertically opposite angles are always equal. Vertically now opposite angles are equal. Here vertically opposite angle, so x is equal to 55. This is the linear pair. Now this angle you observe here, this one, linear pair. Linear pair always 180 degree. Supplementary angle always 180 degree, or linear pair also 180 degree. Now here 55 plus y. Now see here 55 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree because this is the linear pair. Linear pair. Now when we shifting 55 from LHS to RHS, that is becoming as a negative. Now when we do the subtract 125 degree is the y value. Okay. Now dear student, here y is vertically opposite for z. We can say also y is equal to z 125 degree because this is the vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Okay. As x is equal to 55 degree, y is equal to 125 degree and z is equal to 125 degree. This is the solution. Okay, dear student, next I am taking here second figure in this way. Dear student, next you observe here second figure. See 40 degree x and 25 degree. This is the straight line. Okay, these all angles on a straight line. Now we can say here 40 degree plus x plus 25 degree, that is the equal to 180 degree. When we add these two, we are getting here x plus 65 degree is equal to 180 degree. When we shifting from LHS to RHS, that is becoming 180 degree minus 65 degree. When we doing the subtraction, 115. X value is 115. Okay, here x value we got here 115. This is the straight line 40 plus y. This is total is 180 degree. Now we can write here now 40 degree plus y is equal 180 degree, because this is the linear pair. This is the linear pair. Now when we shifting LHS to RHS, we are getting here 180 degree minus 40 degree. See, y is equal 140 degree. Here we got here y value. Now here next we have to find out here z value. Dear student, here y and z, this is also one of the linear pair. Now we can say also y plus z is equal to 180 degree. Here y value is 140 degree. 140 degree plus z is equal to 180 degree. When we doing the subtraction, we are getting here z is equal 40 degree. This is the solution. Now x value, now we can write does x value is 115 degree and y value is 140 degree and z value is 40 degree. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, dear students, next I am taking here 13 question in exercise 5.1. Here, fill in the blanks. Okay, dear students, next I am taking here 13 में fill in the blanks. See, first question here, if two angles are complementary, then the sum of their measures is, two angles is complementary. We know the total sum of complementary angle is 90 degree. Now, that is the first answer is 90 degree. Okay, next second one, if two angles are supplementary, then the sum of their measures is how much? 180 degree. Second one. Next third one here. Two angles forming a linear pair. That is the supplementary angle. Okay, that is the supplementary angle. Next angle here, fourth one. If two adjacent angles are supplementary, they form a linear pair. Okay, this is the fourth one. Next, you see here fifth one. If two lines intersect at a point, then the vertically opposite angles are always equal. Okay, this is the fifth one. Next, sixth one here. If two lines intersect at a point and if one pair of vertically opposite angles are acute angles, then the other pair of vertically opposite angles are obtuse angle. Sixth one answer is obtuse angles. Okay, this is the 13th main. That's right. Next I am taking here 14th one question. In the adjoining figure, name the following pairs of angles. Here we have some question. We have to answer by observing this picture. Okay. Now here, see obtuse vertically opposite angle. Obtuse angles mean which angles measures more than 90 degree. Those angles we will call obtuse angle. See, we have to find out here vertically opposite angles. That should be obtuse angle. Now see here, AOD from here to here, AOD and BOC are both are the obtuse vertically opposite angles in this figure. Now to write here solution. First one, angle AOD and angle BOC are obtuse vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. Okay, this is the first one solution. Next, second one, adjacent complementary angles. Dear friend, adjacent complementary angles mean angles have common vertex and common arcs. That's complementary angle. Complementary mean here 90 degree. That should be adjacent. Adjacent mean here common arc. Okay. See here in this figure, second one, AOE and AOB. These are two are adjacent complementary angle. Okay, because here one is the common arm. Now we can say angle AOE and angle BOA are adjacent complementary angle. Complementary angle. Complementary angles. This is the second one. Another one here. Equal supplementary angle. Supplementary angle means 180 degree. That those angles should be equal. Supplementary means that is the 180 degree and both are equal. Both are equal means 90 degree plus 90 degree. 180 degree. That is we call supplementary angle. Now here you see here BOE and EOD. This is the supplementary angle because this is the 180 degree. Okay, these are two angles equal. This is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. Both are, when we are adding 90 degree plus 90 degree, we are giving here 180 degree. That is, you will call supplementary angle. Now, third one answer is here angle BOE and angle EOD are equal supplementary angle or equal supplementary angle. This is the answer. Supplementary angles. Write down. This is the solution. Next I have here fourth one here. Unequal supplementary angle. Supplementary angle. Fourth one, unequal supplementary angle. Supplementary angle means we know. Supplementary angle means the sum of two angles 180 degree. That is you will call supplementary angle. We have to find out here unequal supplementary angle. Now see, this is the linear pair. Okay, this is the linear pair. Here AOE and EOC. These are two angles, unequal angles. When we adding these two unequal angles, we are getting here 180 degree. So supplementary angle means the sum of two angles 180 degree. That is we will call supplementary angle. When we add here EOE and EOC, that is the supplementary angle. Angle AOE and angle EOC are unequal supplementary angle. Supplementary angles. Okay, this is the fourth one. answer. Next and here last one. Fifth, adjacent angles that do not form a linear pair. That should be adjacent angle but do not form a linear pair. Those angles we have to find out here by observing this picture. BOA and AOE. These two are adjacent angle but not forming a linear pair. So answer angle AOB and angle AOE. This is the one pair. Next, second one here. See, next second one AOE and EOD. This is also adjacent angle but not forming a linear pair. Now second one we can write here angle AOE and angle EOD. This is the second pair. Third pair here EOD and DOC. EOD and angle DOC. Okay, DOC. These are the adjacent angles but not forming a linear pair. Friend, in this class I completed here exercise 5.1. In tomorrow class I will start pairs of lines. Thank you.